Good morning. My name is Dayana Pinilla. My video, the task 3. Question 1. Could you tell me a little about yourself? How are you doing? It's a pleasure. Thank you for meeting me. I'm great. Thank you. And you? It was perfect. Work all weekend. I worked this week, but I got a lot done, so that was good. If does feel good to get work done. I studied industrial engineering and graduation. In the last year, I have been working at the Las Palmas de Puente Nacional Hotel as an administration for 5 years. I have 15 years of experience in administration. To, to working time, I have a lot of experience in customer service. The hotel where I concurrently work as an administration has been growing and has good sales, but I have run out of room to grow, and so I have been looking for new opportunities. Thank you.